What is going on today, guys? Welcome to my 2018 McLaren 570S Spider. I want to walk you guys around the car, some of the specs, and my overall review of having this car for the past 5 to 6 months. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and let's get right into today's video. This is a V8. It is a twin turbo, gets about 570 horsepower. I also drove this car in Vegas as well before buying it. There's actually a raceway in Vegas. My top speed so far in the car is like 160. It gets about 13 miles a gallon, but with active, I'm pretty sure it gets about 8. And that will like probably go over 650 horsepower. So, I mean, it's a very, very good handling car. If you're on the highway going 80 miles an hour and I go like this real quick, it's not gonna spin out. Like, it has good traction. It's very like grounded to the ground, good handling. Would I recommend this car? If you're willing to put away like 5 to 15 grand a year to maintain the car, then yes. But if you're not willing to spend more than what the payments are, then probably not. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.